Hello everybody. Okay, so I know I'm being totally horse nerd, but I am so in love with this hay. It is Stanley's Timothy. I have to special order it, and it does cost a little bit more than local hay, but I am telling you what, this hay smells so sweet. And it is soft. I mean, it doesn't hurt my hands at all. It's shortcuts, it's not long, and it smells so good. And I just don't know what to say about it. This really, like I said, being real horse nerd right now, but this is so exciting for me to get hay like this that is so great and has such good quality and is still bright green. Anyway, I had to share. I was that excited. Again, it is Stanley's hay. It's a Timothy, and you guys have a good night.